I'm Mary Evelyn McKee, and I am the interior designer for the Flower Showhouse for 2021 in historic Briarfield, Alabama. Let me show you around. The breakfast box bay, the genesis of that space, was an experience Margot had with a friend out of town on one of her speaking engagements who had a room almost exactly as you've seen it built. And she spent a wonderful morning drinking coffee with her friend in this glorious sunlit box bay. And so that immediately became a part of this farmhouse at Briarfield. The Josephine wing chairs covered in the paisley, reiterating the warm, rich tones of the red clay of central Alabama, the trees in the fall, and the colors of the woodlands. The lighting in the box bay, the Brussels chandelier, was one of the first light fixtures I saw, and I just fell in love with the shape of it. It has such an old world feel, but also with something fresh and new. We were able to customize the interior color with Kennebunkport green from Benjamin Moore, which Curry & Company was very happy to do for us at the factory level. The old note lighting in the bookcases there is also very helpful. We were also able to customize the color of the shade using Benjamin Moore Grenadier Pond colorway, which just toned them down a little bit in contrast with the Devonshire green bookcase paint. The little portieres dividing the kitchen from the box bay in the cravat unlined basic fabric. It's a little window pane check, and it just seemed exactly right for such an informal part of the house. So the table in the box bay is set with replacements, breakfast china and cutlery. The dining table is a family piece that had belonged to Margot as a child, and it makes the perfect place for an intimate breakfast.